Hey guys, Alex here with Paragon Performance. You guys have been asking for an install video on the HTC version of the Verus wing. We're gonna go over what's different here for you. Primary difference is literally the bottom bracket that goes on the underside of the trunk. Everything from the top side bracket all the way up through the wing is exactly the same for HTC and the Coupes. However, you will have a hardware difference on the top plate. There are some longer studs, and I'll show you where those need to go. Let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna start here with our lower brackets. These are left-hand, right-hand sided brackets. So we wanna make sure we're putting the correct one on the right side. So we're gonna set it into place. This outer perimeter here should be flush with the underside of the deck lid. If it looks something like this, where it's a big gap here that you can put your finger under, that is the wrong side, needs to go to the other side. Now we're gonna use this as our drill template as well. So let's get that put into place and just hold it there as best you can with your fingers, trying to leave access to all those holes because we're using this as our drill template. So with your drill and a 1/4 inch drill bit, you're just gonna drill through, make sure you go all the way through the deck lid and try to keep it as straight as you can. Let's get to poking some holes. And then repeat the same thing for the other side. There you guys go. That explains the only differences for the HTC install of the Verus wings. The rest of it is exactly the same as the Coupe. So go ahead and check out the video for the Coupe install. That's gonna be linked in the description here. And enjoy your new wing. Reach out if you have questions, because there are a few different options of this wing now. So be sure to reach out if you have questions, and we can help you decide on which wing is gonna be right for you. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.